How to remove products or items from wishlist on SHEIN application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove or delete the products or items from wishlist on SHEIN application. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your SHEIN application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you're inside here, now simply tap on this favorites icon or love icon at the top of your screen, that is top right corner. So once you tap on that, you can basically see all of the items or products which you have added to your wish list. So if you don't know how you can easily add products to wish list, you can just tap on that particular product and simply tap on the three dot of the top right corner of that particular product, and you can see there is option to add it to wish list. You can just do so by simply tapping on it, and just like that you will be adding that particular product to wish list. Now to remove it, you can just come over to this wish list section once again by simply heading over to your home screen and just tap on this love icon as I told you previously, and you can just tap on this three dot icon right next to the product and simply click on delete to remove or delete it from the wishlist successfully. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.